Hi guys! Welcome back to the Guys Girl Sister Show. The first step, we're going to be making the roux. And the roux is a part of the gumbo. So the first thing, you're going to need 2 cups of vegetable oil and 2 cups of flour. Now you got to make sure it is on medium heat to pour your vegetable oil into the pot. Make sure you have safety help. So first you're going to grab your 2 cups of oil, vegetable oil, and you're just going to pour it in your cup. Gently. Now you're going to let your vegetable oil heat up for about 3 minutes. You just have to be patient with it. Maybe when it starts to get more, you can let it sit for a minute. But when it sits, it kind of gets more chocolatey looking. So it's kind of been 6 minutes. Now it's been 6 minutes now. It's starting to look chocolate. It's turning chocolate now.
Melody, you got that right, because if it's not right, Mama's going to make us do all over again.
See? It looked good. It's chocolatey and nice.
Okay, I like it. Hey guys, so right now I'm preparing the veggies for the the gumbo. So right now we have peppers, we have some celery, and then we have onions. So we're gonna chop. Now all the veggies are done, we're going to set them to the side. Now remember, disclosure, children at home, please do not use the knives, because our grandmother trains us early to use knives, and make sure you have adult supervision. So these are our veggies, the Trinity, and we're going to set them to the side until we get our gumbo ready, our meats. Hey guys, so right now we're peeling shrimp, and
we're putting the things in here.
Yeah, we're putting all the skin inside of our dirty bowl.
And then we're putting the shrimp in this bowl.
Yeah, so we have 2 bowls. And then we're preparing our shrimp for our gumbo, so we can put it all in with the crab and all the seafood and stuff. So, all the shrimp, so when we put our meats inside of our gumbo, our seafood, we can start making the gumbo. See, we already deveined them. And now we just put them in the bowl. I'll let some water out my bowl so they don't get soggy before we start cooking. Okay.
Keep it on.
No, I don't want it to. Okay, so this is Olivia's shrimp. See? That's Olivia's shrimp
Right here. And then this is this.
So we're preparing our stuff to put inside of the pot to go with all our veggies, our sausage, and our our roux.
And our Gumbo.
And then we have, so we could just mix that all together.
And then we're gonna make
let
some
it heat
shrimp.
up for like an hour or two, and then
So now we are going to cut up some sausage. If you guys can see the sausage that we're going to be cutting up. You guys need to make sure that you guys have parent or guardian supervision. Now I'm going to finish up the rest of the sausages and I'll be right back.
I did. Check out our seasoning. I'm not gonna say it, but I will show it.
I finished chopping, so I'm just gonna set it on the side and I'll be right back.
I'm prepping all my meats. The first one I did was the shrimp, and I'll tell you what I did to season them. So first I got the Creole seasoning. I got the Old Bay seafood seasoning. Tasty Tima salt-free, my auntie's seasoning. Then we got crab boil and bag seasoning. We got AdSense. And then we got seafood seasoning, Phillips. There we go. And then we got shrimp and crab oil. I put a little minced garlic, and I stirred everything together, and we'll just set it in the fridge with the foil on top until we get ready to fry all of our meats. So after we're done seasoning our chicken, we're gonna put it in the oven, and so when we put it in our gumbo, it won't take as long to cook, and it's gonna be seasoning more. I put garlic oil all over my chicken. Oops. Once again, my Auntie Tima's salt-free seasoning, it tastes the best. And then we got Creole seasoning, and that's it. Let's get started. Okay, so now we're gonna mix it. We're gonna speed up the video. Don't be afraid to touch it, because now it's time to mix. Make sure your hands are washed and gloves on. Whoa. Don't worry about the blood on the chicken, guys. Now we're going to put it in the oven, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, now we're going to use the same seasonings that we used for the chicken, and then we're going to put this in the refrigerator. Love that chicken. Ooh, this is pretty. I'm frying some bacon so we can get some bacon juice inside my pot. Ooh, we prepared for this gumbo. So now we're gonna pour our sausage in our bacon stock. Ooh. Okay. We're gonna make it work. 3. Oops. Okay. Alright, so that is a lot of good sausage. I'm gonna fry it. I'll be right back. That should be enough. Make sure you have adult supervision while you're next to the very hot pot. Look at that, guys. Ooh, wait, guys. That's gonna look good. So we baked both of our chickens. We got the chicken's wings right here, and then the chicken breast right here. Just the perfect amount of seasoning, and then chicken breast for the same as well. I think we did a great job on this. So we're gonna clean our king crab, and then we're gonna start throwing everything into the big pot, and then we're gonna then we're gonna get our gumbo going. So hey guys, so right now we're frying all of our vegetables. We got bell peppers, onions inside of the bell peppers, and celery, and also garlic. And we're frying all of our veggies with our garlic oil right there. I added a little of Auntie seasoning. Added a little bit of tasty Tima seasoning, salt-free. Now we're just gonna stir it till they get nice and cooked. We're gonna stir it till it gets all nice and cooked. You guys want to make sure you get the edges so they don't burn up too bad. After you're done stirring it, we're going to add it to the roux in our big pot. The roux. This is starting to look really nice, guys. Now we're cleaning king crab. Make sure your crab is clean really good. Nasty. Now we're going to pour all our veggies in the roux. So you add your 2 bay leaves that are right here, 2 bay leaves, McCormick. And then now you're gonna add your whole tomatoes, but tomato juice. Pour it in. Oh yeah. Whoa. That's it. Okay, now we gotta stir. Another word for adjective, mix is probably adjective.
All clean. Now all clean.
Add a thyme to the pot. That's it. Shrimp and boil. Gumbo file. Some of my tasty Tima's Auntie Tima's salt-free seasoning. And parsley. That's how it's looking right now, guys. Looking really good. Watch me, guys. I'm getting ready to add my meat. Added all our meats, everybody. Added our meat already. Added our sausage and our chicken breast and our chicken wings. Ooh, we got a good one. You guys don't want to dig. You kind of just want to lift it over. Okay, guys. Add our chicken stock. Chicken broth. Adding our chicken broth. Alright guys, so this is how it's looking right now.